I'm here in downtown Bangkok today in front of a famous iconic Thai building known as the Elephant Building. It's designed in the shape of an elephant. Unfortunately, sometimes these buildings fall into a bit of a state of disrepair. They haven't been properly inspected or maintained, and building owners don't really know how to go about doing this right.
At Inspekt AI, we use drone and AI technology to inspect every millimeter of a building in millions of high-resolution and thermal images. We find flaws on a building facade no matter how small. Repairing these flaws early costs nothing. Later, they become very expensive and dangerous.
And the problem is that people are walking below. There's a plaza just down below there, and pieces of this building fall off, and if they hit somebody, people can die. And what we found here, when I started rooting around the area, is something really interesting. Let me show you. And if you come over here, we've actually found pieces of the building that are literally lying in a pile of debris here. Now this thing weighs several kilos, and you can imagine this falls 40 stories from the ground, what the damage can be. That can kill people. Inspekt AI is here to help solve these kinds of problems. What we do is we inspect every inch of a building. Anything is loose, building owners can know about it, they can fix it before it becomes a big problem.
Inspekt AI, making the built world safer and more energy efficient. Contact us at inspectai.com.